Hi everyone, I'm back. Welcome back, Rachel. Welcome back, Dan. What about others? Okay, is joining. Okay, so
Hello.
if you are done, can we start with the next practical?
Yep.
Great. Now I'm saving this flow, going back. These are my flows. Now I need to create an Excel document in the cloud. Create a blank workbook. So I'm creating a serial number, name, fine, and I'll take an email. I'll take an what? I'll take an amount. I'll take an date. So I'll take these few fields and I will add a number here as an uh, P01, P02, and I take this serial number as an up to 10. I'll take few names. Fine. So I'll take a name as an I'll make it bit short. I'll make it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So you can put some meaningful name also there. So that is possible. And I'll take a email ID because I'm using a test mail. So I'm taking my email ID, jpsingh.net at Hotmail. And I'm going to drag this email ID for the all the persons, same email ID. Amount, I will take a, let's suppose 10,000, 12,000. And accordingly, I'll just make an interval of 2000. It will pick up. Fine. So I'll take that. Date, I will take today's date. Maybe I'll take a date from 10, 7, 23. I just write today to check out the syntax for that. So it is uh, MMDDYY. So this is not a right correct date. The correct date is a 7, 10, 23. It will take a 7, 11, 23, and I will drag that. So I have created a data which I'm going to use with a few very interesting and useful example. No, okay, these are the dates. Fine. Now I click on any on this. I say, please convert this into a table, and the table name is my data. Fine. And I save this file with the name of uh, Excel list. Fine. So I'll just save this. So guys, are you clear with that? I have created a small data set of 10 persons. Great. Now I want to send email to all these people, all the 10 people. I need to read from this file and open that. So I'll go to the, say, create a new flow. Send email to all. This and create. Now I need to add a step. So what should be the first step, guys? Any guesses? Yes, everyone. Get data from Excel. Perfectly right, sir. We just come here, Excel Online. Fine. So I have an option, get a row will give you one row. Fine. So this is, I think, good option. List all the rows present in the table. So you have so many options, add a new row, create a table, get a table, so many things. But I think this will help me list rows present in table. I click on that. So it will ask me few information. Then what is your location? I said my location is OneDrive. What is your document library? It's in OneDrive under that. What is your file name? My file name is employee Excel list. What is your table name? It's a my data. So I just need to mention this few information and this will come to this all. So I'm ready. I'm able to pick up all the emails. Fine. Now, guys, I need to create a one new step how to send an email. So again, I'll come to email. So I say send an email. As I click on send an email, there will be an outer action will be there for all the data. Please look at carefully. So this will be come under one information for each. I click on send an email and I want to pick data from where. So when you click here, you have a dynamic content. So dynamic content is coming from the previous steps. So I am not typing an email here. I'm saying add a dynamic content. So it will automatically identify there is an email. It will give you the dynamic content here, which is coming from the previous content. So I click on email. As I click on email, you can look at here, the send email will automatically be the part of apply to each. It is called a loop. So this loop will work. This iteration will work uh, depending upon how many number of rows available in the table. So if your table has a 10 rows, it will execute 10 times. If your table has 5 rows, it will execute 5 times. So I say I want to send an email. Fine. So I'm writing here email. mm, Reminder mail for I have a serial number this. So I came to know I'm getting a right serial number or not uh, with a name. I'll just write a name here. It is also coming as a dynamic content from the previous name. So this will dynamically come for each and every person, a unique serial number and unique name. So I write here, hi. Again, I don't know the name. Can I pick the name from the dynamic content? Yes. Hi, the name. Amount in your points. I mean, you can write here points in your account. And you can write here the amount as of. You can put a date here. So this is optional, up to you. So I write this. So the value is basically present all the row one by one. It will pick up the data one by one. So you can easily get that. I save this and I'll open my this one. I'm going to delete these two because to check that I'm deleting all in my inbox is empty. So I minimize that and I save this. It's save once again. Now I test this. Click on manually and click on test. So it will check both the OneDrive login and the Outlook login. And I click on continue and run the flow. So it's running the flow. This orange icon is coming. It's not completed yet. Oh, it's completed now. Now my email should come with the 10 emails one by one. Oh, it's coming. Great. A sequence may be depending because it's an over the mail. So the sequence is not in that form. But can you see this? All mails are coming. When you click here, it is picking up the amount accordingly. It is giving you the reminder mail. Oh, I write mal. Oh, sorry. And for the name E. Yes, guys. So I am reading from Excel and writing a mail to all the people available in the list. Yes, guys, are you clear with that? So this is nothing but a loop. We'll call it a loop iteration. Iteration until the all things are not done. All tables are not finished. No. Yes, we'll work on that, Rachel. This is the next step. That's why I did not put the date. It is coming as a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something. No, some numbers are coming. No, yes, I can understand it. Some numbers are coming. That's what I'm saying. We'll work on that. Give me some time. I think other people will do that. I'll work on that. This is something interesting in Excel. No? Try this, guys, and let me know once you're done. Mm. How many of you are frequently working on Excel, guys? Then I think I'll give you 15 minutes in this session and you will save 2 hours. I have something surprise for you if you are an Excel user. Because if you are any type of user, I'll just give a tips and tricks. So please finish our content, then we'll discuss something interesting on that. Try this, guys. I'm waiting for your response. So, so Christina, all are done. I think. What about Christina is done and Rachel is done. What about others? Take your time. Let me know once you're done. Guys, this is your small request to everyone. Once you are done, put in the chat. So 4 people as Mark has done. Great. So I can move ahead with the next one. Now, guys, I want to send the mail only those people whose amount is greater than 16,000. I repeat that, whose amount is greater than 60,000. So if your amount is not greater than 16,000, you will not receive a mail. If the amount is greater than 16,000, then we'll send the mail. It is a conditional mail with a number. I reply conditional mail with a number. Very interesting. We'll come back here, save this, go back, go back and add a new flow. Now send mail with number condition. So if you have a numeric condition and you want to fulfill that, you can easily work on that. You can click on create, new step. Okay, the first step is reading the Excel file, list one by one. I'll take a OneDrive. I'll take another OneDrive here is a business. Then we'll take a file name. Then we'll take what? A table name. Now I need a new step. I need to put a condition. Fine. So I'm coming here. I'm coming here for what? For writing an email, but with the condition that I'm not able to read anything here. So I'm going to delete this. First of all, I need to come with what will come with what? New step. Again, a condition. What is my condition? If your amount, I'll pick up one value of the list table, it will automatically come into the loop. So it's an iteration loop and it's a condition. So my condition is that if your amount is greater than, I have a static value which is a 16,000. So very easy. I can put a 16,000 here. And what I need to do, if the condition is true, then what to do? If the condition is false, then what to do? So I'm putting an add an action here. And I'm writing here a mail. It will come like this. Say, please send an email to the email from the dynamic content. Again, the same hi. What is this username? Or maybe reminder mail for a serial number. And the name I can put here in the name. I just press hi. I just remove the name here. I'll just take the amount so that we can check hi, and I can put here the name. And even I'll put here with the date so that we can check this date also. What is coming here? So I put this logic. Now guys, look at here. I have a iteration. Under the iteration, I have a condition. Condition with number. Condition with number. I'll save this and I'll go to my mail and delete all just to cross check whether other is working or not. Come here, click on save, done. Click on test. Oh, run that. Run the flow. Done. So I'll check the mail. Wait for a few seconds whether it is coming or not. I'll just check whether there is an error or not. There is some error. Oh, guys, there is some error. So now debugging is coming in picture. No, debugging is coming in picture. I need to click here. It is saying an action failed. No dependence action succeed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not working. Click on condition. Unable to process language condition at the time when the column is 0. So greater expect 2 parameter of matching type. So guys, any help I need in the help in that. It's not working. I just stop this. You can just read out this last line. What is written there? Anyone? What I selected? String and integer that do not match. But when I close this and check this amount and go here, check this amount, it is numeric. Guys, any input? There are so many people who are working on that. I can make it a number. Still the same error will come. Believe me, I can run that. It's a number now. Fine. I'll save this already saved. And in the cloud, I make this, save it, and wait for a few seconds. Click on test. It should run, no? As you said, it should run. 1, 2, it's running. It's running. No. As I told you, still the same error. Is there a function in Power Automate to convert the field? Yes, 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 Rand, you're right. There is a function, but the question is that Excel is not a structured data type language. I repeat, Excel is not a structured, no, it is an unstructured data source. If you pick this from SQL or from the SharePoint, this problem won't come. Fine. But when you are picking from Excel, you have a problem like this. So I can do that. I can close this and come in the edit mode. So how can I convert this to a number? Is there any way? Anyone? Have you done this in the first example? Data. If you remember where you add two numbers. So again, that will come in picture. Add an action. Data. Data operation. Compose is coming. I need to take this value here. Should come here. Why it is not coming here? It's very easily draggable. Sometimes there are new things come, no? Adding and dropping is an add an action here. Data. Compose. And take this after this. No, yes. So compose is here. I'll take this after that. Now I'm coming here and I'm saying, please find an expression. And I'll add one more because I need two for that. Add an action. Again, a data. Compose. Take this after that. So in the first compose, I will take a amount. as an dynamic. Sorry, I need to pick from here, add a dynamic amount. In the other one, I will pick an expression and say we have a conversion function. I'll just show you. There is a conversion function. No,